Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Virtual Skills and I am Latiful Bari with you. In this video, I'll show you the basic rules of keyword research. No matter what tools you are using, whether it is free or paid. But if you know these rules, then you can easily find the best keywords to rank your business. Why keyword research? Keyword research will give you the idea how people search products and services or describe your business online. Keyword research is the most important part of search engine optimization. It should be your first priority, and if you are a small business or a local business, then it should be done even before you choose your domain name. Because for better ranking, your main keyword or a part of the keyword should be in your domain name. Maybe you are using all advanced techniques to optimize your website, but still you are unsuccessful to drive potential targeted traffic or rank your website because you didn't pick the right keywords for your business, and you are really wasting your time, no matter how good you are in SEO. What are the benefits of keyword research? If you know who are your real customers and the targeted search terms they are using for your business, and who are your competitors, and you also know what you are doing, only then you will be 100% confident to rank your website for those keywords. You just can't beating the bush, right? Keyword research will tell you how much traffic you will get if you can rank your website for specific search terms, even from specific locations. And it will give you the idea how the people describes your products and services, how you should structure your website, how you should optimize your content, your post title, your post URL, image alter tag, product categories, website pages, and many more. As I said before, it is the most important part of search engine optimization. So, if you have done any mistake in this part, you will suffer the most. What are the types of keywords? Keywords are mainly two types: broad keywords and long tail keywords. Broad keywords typically consist of maximum 2 words. Usually, it has a large search volume. Normally, they got highly bounce rates as they are not targeted. If you search a broad keyword, then you will get many irrelevant search results, and they are highly competitive with authority sites. I am using here the free version of Moz extension bar to check the page rank. If you look at their domain authority, it is very hard to outrank these sites for a small business or a startup. Even if you look at the suggested keywords of Google, they are not relevant at all. On the other hand, the long tail keywords start with minimum 3 words to maximum 7 or 8 words. These keywords are ideal to start your online business because they are highly targeted, have low bounce rate as people find their search result more relevant, and they are likely spend more time in these websites. Also, they have medium to low competition with the most targeted traffic. Even you can see you will get more targeted and relevant keyword ideas from Google suggestion. So, if you have done your keyword research right way and most effectively, then you may outrank your competitors for one of these long tail keywords within very short time. Keyword research process. Keyword research is not a difficult task at all if you know the process before you start your action. You need to understand who are your customers, how they conduct search for your products or services, even for your blog. After this brainstorming process, you need to follow 3 major steps to do keyword research right way. In your first step, you need to collect as much as targeted long tail keywords as you can related to your business and fill them up in Excel sheet. Then in second step, you need to use any keyword research tool to find the search volume for each keyword, like local search volume, monthly search volume, their competition level, etc. Mostly, you need to fill your Excel sheet with keywords those have low and medium level of competition. And finally, in step 3, you need to narrow down your keyword list by checking out the rank data of your competitors, like DA or PA. I mean the domain authority and page authority of your competitors who appears in the first page of Google search result. You need to choose those keywords whose competitors' domain authority and page authority should be less than 30. Anything 60 to 100 is highly competitive. It's almost impossible to outrank. Anything 30 to 60 is considered medium competition. And anything 0 to 30 is considered low competitive. So you need to start with these keywords to start your optimization process. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you think that you have got some value from this video, please subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more exciting upcoming content.